Now let's see this. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Now what it means is, let's take this example. The number is 828311. Now you number the digits either from the left hand side or right hand side. You can take it any way, right? Let's say I'm numbering it from the left hand side, from the units place. So this is 1, digit number 2, digit number 3, digit number 4, digit number 5, digit number 6. Now you take all the digits which are at the odd places, right? So odd places means 1, 3, 5, these 3. Now what are the numbers there? 1, 3, 2, right? Add them up. 1, 3, 2. Similarly, you take the numbers which are at the even places, which means 2, 4, 6. Now what are the numbers? 1, 8, 8. Now add them. Now you find out the difference, right? See, either you could number it from here or you could number it from here. So what happens is, in some cases, you will anyway, whatever convention you follow, you are going to get alternating digits, right? You will be finding out the sum of the alternating digits. One is starting from the 1 and other is starting from the 2, second one. Okay, so finally you take the difference. If the difference itself is divisible by 11, then you can say that the entire number is divisible by 11. Now let us say this number is very big and the difference which you got here is itself very big. Now again you have to check that if there is a very big number, let's say the number is something like this, and if you have to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not, right? Again you can apply the same definition recursively, which means in this big number, whatever you got, you again find out the alternating digits and you find out the difference between their sums. Then if the difference is divisible by 11, again you can say that this number is divisible by 11. Are you getting this? What I mean to say is, in order to find out whether this number is divisible by 11, you have to check whether the resulting difference is divisible by 11 or not. But then if that number is very big, then it is again the same problem, isn't it? So for that reason, you again apply the same definition recursively, which means take the same number, take that difference, and again try to find out the difference between the even digits and odd digits, and you try to see whether it is divisible by 11 or not. Okay. Now next one is divisibility by 13. Add 4 times the last digit to the remaining leading truncated number. If the result is divisible by 13, then so was the first number. So what it means is, if you want to check whether this number is divisible by let's say 13 or not, then you take the last digit. Last digit means this units place digit, and you multiply with 4, right? And to this you add the remaining leading truncated number. Leading truncated number means whatever is remaining after deleting this. After deleting the units place number, the remaining number is 16, right? Take this and you add these two. Now what did we get? 52, right? Now if this number is divisible by 13, we can say that this number is divisible by 13, right? Since 52 is divisible by 13, you can directly say that the given number is divisible by 13, right? If you don't know whether 52 is divisible by 13 or not, again you can do the same thing. What is it? Again you take the last digit, multiply with 4, then what do I get? 2 into 4 is 8. Now you add the remaining one, so remaining is 5. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Now since 13 is divisible by 13, the given number is divisible by 13. So you can keep on applying this until you get a small number which you will definitely be sure that it is divisible by 13, or you go till 0. Got it? Okay. And next one is divisibility by 17. Subtract 5 times the last digit from the remaining leading truncated number. If the result is divisible by 17, then so was the first number, which means you take this number and you take this, right? So subtract 5 times the last digit, so you multiply this one with 5. What do I get? 45. Now subtract the 5 times the last digit from the remaining leading truncated number. What is the leading truncated number here? 28. So take 28 and you subtract this. Now whatever difference you got, if this is divisible by 17, then the original given number should also be divisible by 17. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is Out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.